What's good, YouTube? Um, as a lot of you guys know, my car is lowered, um, but the fitment on stock wheels, as everybody knows, is atrocious. But I got something in the mail today that's gonna fix that, and we're gonna slap these on, and I will show you guys what is in the box to fix that. So in the box we have the flush kit from EMD Auto for the Mark 8 GTI, Mark 8 8.5. Everything's the same on them, so it doesn't really matter if it says Mark 8 8.5. It doesn't matter. And so we got for the front, we have 10 millimeter for the front, 15 for the rear. Now I'm hoping that there's no rubbing issues. There shouldn't be. I kind of measured yesterday just to see, but I don't think I'll have any rubbing issues today. Uh, but if so, we'll figure it out. It also comes with extended studs for the 10 millimeter and the 15 mil, and everything's labeled, so it's very foolproof. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm also going to rotate the tires because they have not been rotated since I got my first oil change. So we're going to do that. I'm going to slap these on, show you guys how it looks. I don't think I need to show you guys the process because it's literally just taking the wheels off, putting them on, torquing them down, and that's it. So we're going to slap these on. I'm going to show you how they look, and then we're going to go test drive it, see if there's any rubbing, and if there's not, we ball. So I'll see you guys then. As you guys can see, we're in my favorite filming location, which is just a random neighborhood, a random rich person neighborhood in the back area of where I live at. Um, Me filming this is a few days after the clips that I just showed you of before me installing the spacers, just to kind of let everything resettle after being on the jack and jack stands. And I must say that the flush kit, if you're on a budget, is perfect for stock wheels. Like I don't have, like I said earlier, buying wheels right now is not in the budget. Will I probably get upgraded tires, like better tires? Yes, I'll probably go to BJ's because they have great deals on Michelin Pilot Sports, which is probably what I'm going to get. I know that's cliche, but I mean, they work well. I've ridden in cars that have them, so why not go with something that's tried and true, like tested really well? Um, but yeah, the car looks amazing. Give me 1 second, and I will show you guys what they look like. Sits, ladies and gentlemen. And if you watched any of my other videos, you can probably already tell how well they sit, how well the wheels sit. Like, you remember those clips that I showed you before filming this part of the video of how sunken in the front and rear were. And the front actually, I feel like can come out a little bit more, to be completely honest with you. But I mean, I'm fairly happy with how it turned out. And like this car, I just fall in love with it every single time I do something new. And I can't wait for the 8.5s to be able to be tuned and everything. They need to unlock that SFD, man, because I'm ready. I'm ready, man. Now you can. This car is just amazing. So with that being done, I know you guys are probably going to be, oh, where's the tent? Where's the tent? Hey, we are going Euro spec right now. I'm kidding, but I don't know. Like I said, tent really isn't like one of the main things that I care about doing. I might just do it over the winter, get it done and over with. Since I don't really ride around with my windows down in the winter, just so I don't have the feel the need to roll my windows down and mess up the tent. All right. I am looking at spoiler options right now and rear diffuser options. Uh, there is a spoiler that I really want, but I kind of have to wrap my roof black. I don't really like it's a gloss black one, and I don't really want to see the contrast that well, like that much. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Yeah, that's all I can think of right now. Um, there's not really much. I wish I could go to a low show this year, but I just been trying to work and stack my money, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just, taking everything for what it is and just put my nose down on the grindstone and doing what I have to do. So until then, y'all enjoy these cinematics. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.